Hi. So the core idea of my project is really simple. So I want to turn any part of unstructured enterprise data into live, queryable insight layer, and deploy a predictive ML model without a single lab code or single data scientist. And to do demo, so I could use this data set. I found from Kaggle. So basically, that one is unstructured data set. It's a lot, but I narrow it down to 100 rows for better speed. And so I have like ticket test column and like some capability column and like some other filterings. And so I will try to build this app. So here is the front end of my app. So we have live program. So live program includes like 5 agents. So agent one, agent two. So it's based on Cloud Sonnet. And so it handles the engagement task and insight task and agent 3, 4, and 5. So we use Cloud Opus like different model like 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3 for validation, training, and deployment. And for right here, so we just like upload a file. For example, so we upload that file and we show the file I showed you before and hit start pipeline. So it will run the EDA first. And so the EDA, so I use Cloud so you Cloud like Opus for this task. Yeah, so after running the Cloud, so it gives you the brief EDA snapshot of the subject return. So we will summarize the key finding and recommend next track. And so we have the data cleaning step right here. So what it does and filter engineering. So it's on automatically. So we have like first filter of the data and the first filter of the for filter out the filter engineering. Oh, that one like actually step 3. So we have to approve the test. Like so what our goal in training the model, for example. So if I want to predict like if the customer risk churning risk is high, so just like go more to reduce and unique prediction the customer and the goal test and prefer matrix over here, just approve and continue. And back to the ADA. So and then yeah, we have the graph of the ADA over here. And we're just waiting for the agent 3, agent 4, and agent 5 to train. Uh, so in the meantime, so it's also gives insight what like the insight of the filter of the dataset. And for the if you want to ask anything about the PMA, so you can ask you can ask Claudia like to run that one like query. So it gives you answer and shorter everything. And yeah, so once the answer finished, um so we can see the model and deployment model. So the goal mode over here, the goal test, and the matrix over here. So that one only fail. And we have the LM rate recognize. So if we like give you the explanation of the data set and what you should build like to collect the data and the LM confidence and the validation. So what's the filter count, route count, and the F1 and the filter engineering and cross validation exercise. And for the training, so it gives you accuracy, precision, recall, and gives you business recommendation if you want to follow. For example, is the churn risk. So it say like self-service engagement, informative, and repeat escalation is strong risk. And so it gives like basically the recommendation to improve the business to um uh, yeah to prevent the churn of risk. And for over here, so want to get the model, so you can like open the PDF report. So it gives you a report the model, and you can actually like download the model over here. Yeah. And then so if you have want to test us, like you have a customer ID like 111 1134 something, and you some ticket over here. So if you run prediction, so if you like give you prediction of the turn risk like right here, yes, and the score. Yeah. And that should be it for my recommendation. For my project.